Hi everybody, my name is Michael Hoskins. I'm the CTO of Pervasive Software, and today I'm going to talk to you for a couple of minutes about the Pervasive Data Profiler. This is one of the products that we make in our integration division. Data profiling is part of a space called data quality, and you find we've been in the data integration business for 25 years, and you've heard me say elsewhere that data integration and data quality are converging as spaces. They're highly adjacent spaces anyway, and customers who have one problem have the other. And so you're finding it common that integration vendors are moving into data quality. And our first move, already 5 years ago, was to deliver a Pervasive Data Profiler product. So one of the problems in integration or data quality or dirty data is how bad is it? And data profilers were invented as automated tools to help you dive into your data to see exactly how bad it is. And let me give you an idea by looking at how the Pervasive Data Profiler works. So this is a power user type tool. Any business analyst, programmer, power user could open up the Pervasive Data Profiler. It runs on a Windows platform. It connects to your various data sources. You want to be able to read your data to do your data quality assessment and see how bad it is. And so a profiler would want to have lots of connectivity. We do. We ship with dozens of connectivities automatically available, so you can read your data in from flat files, Excel spreadsheets, databases, even applications. This distinguishes us from other data profilers. Some of them in the marketplace force you to first extract and migrate your data from the native format into a simpler text format so they can then profile it. This obviously is fairly costly in time and processing power, so I'm pretty happy that our data profiler leverages our very big advantage in the marketplace in connectivity and directly connects to these sources. So we bring it in from the various sources into the profiling engine, and think of what a profiler might do. It wants to open up a row and look at what's in that row and give you statistics. So it might want to look down the entire column in a database and say what's the most common value, what's the least common value, what's the highest value, the smallest value, what's the mean, the median, the mode. In fact, it's a computer. It can even do complete frequency distributions of all the values in the entire column, even if it's hundreds of thousands or millions of values. And you can imagine trying to do that across multiple rows. So you're reading in hundreds of thousands of rows. The row has 30 columns. Every single column is being profiled with different metrics being run against every column. This can bring a machine to its knees. And so you also want your data profiler to be able to scale. Ours does. We build our data profiler on our data rush engine. Our Pervasive Data Rush engine is our next generation massively parallel data pump. It employs very fine-grained, multi-threaded styles of parallelism, so it's perfect for the new multi-core platforms that are out there. So we scale, in fact, at screaming speeds as you add more cores, 4 cores, 8 cores, 16-core servers. So I'm very happy, and that's important because as I said before, you can bring a machine to its knees by profiling across these multiple columns with many metrics across hundreds of thousands or millions of rows. So we have, because of that parallelism, the fastest data profiler in the world. Other products, again, sometimes have to take samples or subsets of the data, because if you ran the actual profile against all of the data, it would run for hours or even days, and that's not acceptable. Of course, running on a sample size is not acceptable either, because you're trying to assess the real data quality across all the data sets. In today's black swan world, where all sorts of nasties can lurk in the corners, I think it's very valuable to be able to do that. So in summary, our Pervasive Data Profiler has a big array of connectivity. It pulls in data from any of your sources. It runs complete profiling metrics and scans across all the columns and all the rows of any data set and in amazingly small amounts of time. It's a good product to witness also. You can see the power almost immediately. There's a demo available. I invite you to pull it down or call up and ask for that demo. Thank you.